Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Muhammad Tharez. I am Rohingya a student at Madrasa Muhajirin wal Ansar or Penat in the Rohingya refugee camp in Bangladesh. I am very grateful for the opportunity to speak before you today. As the world knows, the Rohingya are one of the most persecuted people in the world. We are forced to flee our homeland to save our lives from the harmful persecution of Myanmar military. Today we continue to face many challenges and refugee camps, including limited access to education, food, shelter, health care, and other basic necessities. Our lives depend on the kindness and generosity of humanitarian organizations and compassionate people around the world. On behalf of all the students, I would like to express our sincere gratitude to a step to Humanity Association Canada, providing us with a scholarship that help us continue our education. We are also deeply thankful to MB Abdul Rahim Sahib for your generous support and kindness toward the Rohingya refugee community. Please continue to remember us in your prayer and support. Your conversation gives us hope for a bright future. May Allah bless all our donors and everyone who stand with the Rohingya refugee people. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.